He's doing tube time.
Yeah.
Hi. It's Butters and his sister.
Can I be in the video? Hey, Butters.
He's 3.5 months old.
Yeah. Butters.
Look. I can't see Avery.
Butters is so cute. He just took a bath.
Yeah, he's got a nice new 6-month outfit on today. And it's almost too small, huh, Avery?
I'm burping him.
I don't think he needs to be burped on tummy time.
Stop it.
Thank you.
Butters.
Here, leave him alone. He's falling down now.
Avery, get off the tube.
Buddy, are you 3.5 months old? Are you? Yeah.
I'm going to be in a video.
Avery's in the video with her little brother.
Yeah.